Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have the 2024 Land Rover Defender V8. Something I've wanted to say for a long time. Up until this moment, I haven't even sat in a V8 Defender, and now I've driven it. And it is very, very good. We'll start with this. What on earth? Supercharged V8, 518 horsepower. I'll have the full specs in the description. Man, oh man. The only thing, yep, Brembo's up front. The only thing somewhat similar to this would be your V8 Wrangler, but it doesn't really compare to this Meridian sound. Now the V8 Wrangler, I will say, price point is pretty darn similar. You have store? Oh, okay, I like that. Price point is actually somewhat similar. You have a $100,000 Wrangler and about $120 MSRP on these for your V8 Defender. But yeah, I think I know which way I'd rather spend my money, especially comparing the living experience with the two. Heads-up display, ultra suede wheel, I love it. Full pano roof with your little portholes, adjustable headrests, which are nice. Wireless charger, cool box. Oh man, what a good car. Air suspension. Now let's go through some of our dynamic modes. Dynamic, eco, comfort, grass, gravel, snow, mud, rut, sand, rock crawl, wade, and configurable. No, I want to go. Hold on. Go back. Alright, comfort program selected. Let's see here. Weight sensing. Huh. You have all this fun stuff. Did I just confuse it? Come on. Yeah, I just confused it. There we go. We're good to go. Alright, now we're in dynamic, which is the right mode for a V8 Defender. Oh, this was one of those cars, they didn't have to make it. Like, a couple people were asking for a V8 Defender, and after cars like the F-Pace SVR, the Range Rover SVR, at the end of the day, doing it was a very smart idea. Here's what I love about the Defender. I've spent a lot of time in 4-cylinder ones. I have driven a 6. It's not bad. I love these things for the platform that they are. They are so usable. In terms of off-roaders and their on-road dynamics, the Defender is the best in any price point. I know I just reviewed a 4Runner and I said that's one of the best. Think about the price point, guys. These are in a different class than your 4Runner. Maybe not the new ones because the prices are gone stupid, but they're in a different category. If I had to buy, you know, every car guy has that 10-car garage or the perfect 5-car garage. Mine, for a daily off-road vehicle, if you had to ask me what money no object, an off-road vehicle I would buy is a Defender. I love them. I absolutely love them. And every time I get to spend time in them, it's just, I love them more and more. And now that I've tried the V8, I don't know if I can go back. The real way to tell if you're looking at a V8 Defender is the exhaust. The V8s have 4 exhausts. There is not a lot of other ways to tell. And I can see these upsetting a lot of people because underneath it's the same basic engine that is in your F-Type R and your F-Pace SVR. Obviously there are little tweaks between them. But you modify one of these and you can really upset some people. And it's kind of ironic, oh, it's not a Hellcat one. It's kind of ironic that we see the Durango because you combine a Durango SRT with a Wrangler 392 and you have somewhat similar to this. But I don't know, the Defender just does everything better. That is such a linear power band. Good. Yes, that's what I figured. ZF8 speed. In terms of torque converter automatics, the ZF8 is one of the best. You know, what I like about this is as a bone stock package, it's perfect. And you can really start to tune these however which way you want. But if you leave it bone stock, you have the best of both worlds. You have the comfort of just being a cruise around town car and do massive road trips because the exhaust isn't crazy loud. It's loud enough once you get into dynamic and you really romp on it, you can hear the supercharger, you can hear the exhaust. It adds that little bit of flair that I love. But it's not gonna beat you up on a day-to-day basis, wow. Brakes are really, really good considering the size of the vehicle. Oh, that's so childish, and I absolutely love it. You feel like such a villain driving this car, especially all blacked out like this one is. It just, I don't know. I feel like a Bond villain. This is something you would see in a Bond film that the main baddie would drive. And I didn't get that feeling with the normal Defender. As great of a car as that is, this just takes it up to 11. I don't know. This is really something unique and really something special, and it's something that once I have enough money to have multiple cars in my garage, if I had enough money to keep my Boxster and this would be such an awesome two-car solution. I love it. I absolutely love it, and I love it dearly, and I don't ever, you know, now moving towards electric and hybrid and all the EPA emission regulations, everything, stuff like this is not going to exist. And what a swan song this is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.